All right, traders, a very good morning. I'm Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and I'm here for a quick, important market announcement. Exactly what we discussed yesterday, if you all remember. Yesterday we put a lot of videos out for you so that you all can make sense of what is happening in the market. And today, see how beautifully the levels that we gave you have worked. Yesterday, I told you that we were here around this price at 36.79. And I told you if markets want to go down, they will have to go below this level, build up here, and then go below this. I use the word build up. That is very important. But markets in the very first 15 minutes, they came down, took a support, went up. You can see how the build up happened. That's a wonderful, wonderful build up. Also, it is a wonderful inside candles that you saw. This green candle had all these candles inside them, and a wonderful breakout has happened on Bank Nifty. If you don't know inside candle, watch our sniper trading video. You'll understand what an inside candle is. And I exactly told you that markets must build up at 800 levels, and the moment it goes above 800, that's a time where you have to go long in the market. And we gave you the first target of 30,920. You can see our videos, and the first target on Bank Nifty has been achieved. We also uploaded video at 11 o'clock in the night. So I did that for you, explaining the FII DI data. And I told you very clearly, FII has steam left. The retailers are still bearish. That's the reason FIs have got the accumulated calls, reduced puts, and I gave you that indication that markets can go higher. So don't short unnecessarily. I use the word, please go with the flow. So if you have earned profits today based on that analysis, give it a thumbs up, mention in the comment section below. We would love to listen to what you have to say about us. So now what to do ahead? What's the plan now going ahead? So our SL initial, if you took this trade, it would have come below this build up. Now either you exit over here because you have got the target, or it's very simple, you will trail your SL. So if you get any 15-minute closing above these levels, you have still 9 minutes to go. Whoever has not taken a trade yet, if you get a 15-minute closing above this 30,920, 930 levels, that's a signal for you again to go long. For people who are already in trades, that's a signal you can trail the SL and keep on moving with the flow, because now some kind of trend can emerge. We can get some bullishness because FIs are very bullish on the markets. That is about Bank Nifty. 31,000 is a round number. That level can come today. 31,200 is another very important number that can also come today. So we'll see about that, but it's very important you please have a SL and move with that SL. Don't have naked position, it's expiry. Markets can easily reverse and premium can get decayed. Another suggestion would be, if you don't want to take a lot of risk, play in the next week expiry. Don't play in this week expiry, as premiums might get decayed. So if you talk about Nifty, we told you to go long on Nifty above these levels. They were yesterday's high of 690, 687 levels. And you can see how markets have played accordingly. And it was very simple. I told you to go short only in the market below these levels, either 630 levels or to think below 660 levels. So you can see our videos and get a better understanding of that. So people who are going short at this point of time right now will not make any sense. If you're doing short in today's expiry, you basically are just gambling. There is no logic. If you're doing it for next expiry, then you might have your own logic. But for today's expiry, then it doesn't mean short over here. You have to go with the trend. The data is bullish, and I've proved it out to you. The data was bullish yesterday. So we'll do all of these every single day to help you out. But that's it for Nifty. Even Nifty is good. If you are in Nifty trade, if you bought Nifty somewhere around 700 levels, your SLs currently will be around 710, or you can trail it higher to 715 also. But my point will be keep on trailing it. If SL is hit, good, accept the loss because it's expiry. Markets can try to be range bound, but it's a request. Please have your SLs intact, and we'll see how Nifty, Bank Nifty want to play. I think Nifty can still go to 780. That is one level which can come, but the higher it is going, I would like to become more and more cautious. There are a couple of reasons which I'll discuss in the post-market analysis. I want to keep this video short, and also have a look at dollar index. Dollar index has broken our level. I told you this level should not be broken, and FI data bullish, dollar index being breached. So all these things are adding fueling to the rally you're getting in the market. So that's it for now, guys. Please be careful in the market now. Wait for 15-minute closings. If they are sustaining, then only take position. Otherwise, be careful, and you have made the money. As I promised you, you would have made the money in the first 2-3 hours. Enjoy the day, and I will see you in the post-market video until we have another important update. Thank you.